This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay.Mitman. Well-maintained historic home located within walking distance to downtown and Easton Farmers Market. Recently painted throughout, this home offers 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. First floor laundry, stainless steel appliances. Nice detailing, historic trim and hardwood floors throughout the property. Private backyard and off-street parking. Vacant and easy to show. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay.Mitman at 610-253-6123.